In this video, I'm going to present my submission to the Google Gemini long context competition about analyzing WordPress hack logs using Gemini long context capability. My idea was to take a WordPress website which was hacked and to analyze the access logs, the Apache access logs, and try to see if Gemini can identify which part of the logs is related to the hack and which part of the and from that information also to figure out which WordPress plugin could be related to the compromise. And I'm going to present my notebook. First, we are going to use the Google Generative AI library, and we need to install it in the notebook. So this part is doing the installation. Second, we need to have a Gemini API key. The Gemini API key can be set up from the AI Studio website. I have a link here. Once you have an API key, you can load the generative AI library and set this API key. Next, we need some helper functions to upload files to Gemini because we will need to send the access logs, Apache access logs. So these functions we will use to upload the files and to wait until the files are processed. And next, how my data is generated. I have a prompt, and the prompt has a placeholder where I put the Apache logs. And here I combine the prompt with the access log data into a single file, a full prompt. Here is how the prompt looks like. It says, you are a cybersecurity analyst tasked with investigating WordPress website compromise. And the idea is I'm providing information for the Gemini model to analyze the Apache access log and to identify the WordPress plugin and to answer some other questions. And here is the placeholder. This is where the Apache access logs will be placed for the Gemini model. And then I ask what I want from the model. I say analyze the logs and answer the following questions: which IP address was used to create the new WordPress? Which IP address was used to create the new WordPress administrative account? Because in this situation, a new administrative WordPress account, like a malicious one, was created. And I'm interested to see when it was created, which IP address created, and which plugin was used to create this. Which was used to hack this website, to compromise the website. And I'm asking to correlate access logs with the new user creation. And I also provide some information. I say I provide a list of the WordPress plugins which I have installed. And then I provide some other information and I ask to present the findings in a format which I want, like the IP address we use and vulnerable plugin. And then I just take all this data, I combine it, and I send it to Gemini. And lastly, I set up Gemini model parameters like temperature and other information. And the model which I'm using, is 1.5 Pro 02. And finally, I send all this data and I ask the model, can you please answer the question which I put in the prompt? And this is the information which was received. And it identifies an IP address which is vulnerable. It identifies like the log entries which are related to that stuff. It identified the place where an administrative account was created. It figured out that it's related with the W Meta SEO assets, and it provided information that actually the page which is related to this stuff, to this hack, is I wrote here is Meta SEO broken links page. So basically, the broken SEO let us say a broken links page is the page which was vulnerable. What happened here is that a new account was created, but what really happened is that this plugin which I'm using, VP Meta SEO, was vulnerable to stored XSS vulnerability. And the attacker sent a request with a malicious HTTP header, a referrer header. And when the administrator visited that page, the XSS was executed and a new account was created. Thank you.